What's up, everybody? Back down here on the Awd Civic. If you missed last week, I'll put a link in right here. But we ended up getting this thing almost ready to start and then running into a wiring issue with the ECU down here, because the CRV turns out is ECU and TCU like mixed together. Yes, Ben?
So I ordered the connector harness adapter today. Should be custom made within like 3 to 4 weeks is what the time frame that was given to me today. Basically what we're going to do is take the B-series harness that we still have here, modify a couple of the connectors on it just a little bit to work with the B-series engine, and then use their harness adapter inside the car to make it work with the current ECU. They've asked me a lot of really interesting questions. We've been able to answer them all accurately, and they felt comfortable in getting it to us in a good time frame. So really looking forward to getting that solution here. And in the meantime, I guess we're gonna work on the rear end.
Yeah, you got it, man. Nailed it. So we're just gonna push the car out, flip it around. We really wanted to be able to drive off the lift whenever we flip it around, but unfortunately it's not gonna happen. Anyways, we're gonna push it off the lift, flip it around, push it back in here, and the goal for today is to get the entire rear end stripped down, trailing arms off, ready to go, so that way next week we can start with the trailing arms and rear diff and start getting all that stuff going. Alright, got this thing up in the air, ready to go. Went ahead and soaked everything down with some PB Blaster and stuff. If y'all ever mess with this, y'all know how this can go bad real fast. We just got this mount point right here. The trailer arm bushings right here. Got the upper control arm, lower control arm, and the strut there. So get all that stuff ripped off and ready to start doing the conversion back here first thing next week. Alright, well, got all these trailing arms off. Let's pull them off in as much of like a complete unit as I could. Just the struts and brake lines left hanging up here. So I was actually going to pull the gas tank too, but since we are doing a lift kit, the diff won't sit in exactly the same spot. It'll actually be a little bit lower. We were kind of looking, and I don't know, it kind of looks like, there it is. So from there, it looks like it might clear the gas tank. So we're not going to drop the gas tank or anything yet. We're going to get all the rear trailing arm and the diff mount and everything built and see exactly where it's sitting so we can see exactly what we need to do with the tank. I'm pretty sure we're going to have to do a fuel cell, but if we can get away with running the stock tank because of the lift kit, that'd be cool. But yeah, just a pretty quick basic video this week. Just wanted to get the rear end prepped and ready to start doing the trailing arm install from S1 build and the rear diff mount and all that stuff. But yeah, if y'all are interested in following along with the build, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for another one.